What would you like to recite the verse in Sanskrit? Okay, so we'll recite the verse together, and then at home you read the translation. Alright? We won't have the time to read the translation here, but it's important that you also read the translation. So, how many of you will do that? That's very good, boys and girls. So, Bhagavad Gita, 12th chapter. This chapter is entitled as Devotional Service. You remember Bhagavad Gita, first 6 chapters is Karma Yoga. Then next 6 chapters, 7 to 12, Bhakti. And then 13 to 18, Jnana. So, see, the purpose of Bhagavad Gita is Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga, then what? Wonderful. Thank you. And this is the 12th chapter, the culmination of Bhakti. And I repeatedly ask you to read the translation because then you'll see how personable Krishna is. Krishna wants us to become a devotee. And Krishna is practically bending over backwards to make us a devotee. Krishna is saying, if you can do this, then okay, do this. Even if you can't do this, then do this. So this is how Krishna is making it so simple for us to become devotee. Srimad Bhagavad Gita ki jai. Bhagavad Gita, 12th chapter. Arjuna uvacha evam satata yuktare bhaktastam parajupasate ye chapi aksharam vyaktam yesham te yoga vidhamah. Shri Bhagavan uvacha maya vishya manojemam nitya yukta upasate shradaya parayamitas teme yukta tamam. Aksharam anidesham avyaktam parjupasate sarvatrakam achityam cha udastam achalam dhruvam sanyam yetriyagramam sarvatra samudaya devam dhumanti mameva sarvabhutahiteraha kleshodikadastesham Avyakta Shaktayetasam Avyakta Yirati Durgam Deva Viravakyate Jetu Sarvani Karmani Mani Sanyasya Matpara Ananeva Yodhena Mandayata Upasate Tesam Aham Samudhaka Mrityu Samsara Sagara Bhavani Nashirapata Maya Vishakaretasam Mayeva Nanatasva Mani Buddhim Nireshara Vivashya Shimadeva Ata Udhamna Samsaya Ata Chittam Samadhatum Nasaknosi Maishtiram Abhyasya Udhinatato Manisha Purnananjaya Abhyasya Asapatosi Makarma Paramoha Madhavam Mahikaramani Kurvan Srinam Avasasi Adhaita Adhaita Satoshi Kartum Madhyogam Ashika Sarvakarma Vadhyana Tata Guru Jagatmaman Shreyahi Jnanam Abhyasat Jnana Jnana Vishishyate Jnana Karma Padayas Terashantiranantaram Adhishva Sarvabhutanam